Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for July 10th, 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, we will look at how Nifty traded today. Nifty opened gap up once again today as it continued on its path to recovery with the index closing in the green. The NSE index gained 244.10 points or 1.02% to close at 24,206.90 as it recovered back above the 24,000 mark. The gains seen today were due to strong global cues, correction in crude oil prices, and hopes of a resolution of the US-Iran conflict after Trump's recent comments. Almost all sectors closed in the green with realty and IT gaining the most, as the former gained approximately 3.5% once again today. FMCG emerged as the worst performing sector as it closed mostly flat with a mild negative bias. The volatility index dipped significantly. Since Nifty closed above both resistance levels mentioned today morning, levels may be adjusted upwards with supports now being at 24,165 followed by 24,055, while resistances will be at 24,300 followed by 24,420. For Monday, since Nifty closed above the crucial 24,000 level, positive momentum may be expected to carry over at least at open, provided crude prices stay muted. Other external cues, such as momentum seen in the global markets, may also point towards the next moves. A correction due to profit booking may not be ruled out either. For updated levels and expectations, do check out our pre-market report on Monday morning. Bullish momentum may be expected for Nifty above 24,535, while a break below 23,400 could lead the index lower. Next, let us take a view of how Sensex traded. Sensex gained 1.08% or approximately 828 points to close at approximately 77,569. Levels for Sensex may be moved up as well with supports being at 77,280 followed by 76,915 while resistances may be placed at 77,725 followed by 78,110. Sensex may be expected to be bullish above 78,385, while a break below 75,790 could indicate bearish sentiment strengthening. Now, we will take a look at the moves seen in crude oil. Crude oil has been trading mostly sideways at a lower range today after it witnessed a correction yesterday evening. Trump's comments, which indicated Iran wanted to go for a deal after US strikes, acted as a trigger for the correction. Volatility for the commodity took a substantial dip today. Levels for crude oil may be adjusted downwards after yesterday's correction, with supports at 6,810 followed by 6,725, while resistances may be placed at 6,910 followed by 7,000. For today, crude oil may be expected to remain volatile as uncertainty abounds at the energy counter. Trump's comments indicating that Iran is looking for a deal is in stark contrast to Iran's public position condemning the US strikes on its soil. Traders may trade between levels by riding momentum, but buying the dip approach with strict stop losses to account for any new updates on the situation in the Middle East still seems prudent. Crude may witness positive momentum intensifying above 7,290, while a break below 6,425 could cause negative momentum to dominate. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Indian Bank shares surged nearly 10% after the bank reported a strong set of Q1 FY27 results. Net profit rose 10% year-on-year to 3,273 crore rupees, while net interest income increased 17% to 7,435 crore rupees, supported by improved asset quality and a sharp decline in gross NPAs. MRPL shares gained around 9% after ONGC approved the expansion of the strategic oil reserve in Mangaluru. The move aims to strengthen India's energy security and comes as the government looks to enhance crude oil storage capacity following recent geopolitical disruptions. Lux Industries shares jumped 10% after the company signed a licensing agreement with Reebok to design, manufacture and sell Reebok branded innerwear and thermal wear in India. The partnership is expected to strengthen Lux Industries' premium product portfolio and expand its presence in the branded apparel segment. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted over the weekend. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amol Chapi will be conducting a webinar on the topic Decode Nifty and Bank Nifty every morning, the first 30-minute strategy for consistent high probability trades. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will conduct a webinar on the topic Master Option Greek Strategies, Trade Smarter with Delta plus Theta plus Vega plus Gamma. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.